Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray for our Blu-ray update of the week. Today we have Wrath of the Titans in 3D, Steelbook exclusive from Best Buy, and Mirror Mirror. Let's start here with this one. It does not come with a slipcover, just a 3D lenticular poster or mini poster. So let's remove here, let me show you. That's the amount of glue. And I can tell you right now, it is an eco-friendly case. So let's take a look inside. So here it is. It is a 2-disc. Here's the Blu-ray. Here's the DVD. You also get a mini flyer talking about the soundtrack and the code for your digital copy. They have two different artworks, DVD and digital copies right here. This is just the Blu-ray. Now let me show you the Steelbook. Here's the usual flyer. It's a cardboard, very thick cardboard. Cover is all glossy, really nice. And here's the back cover. So here we have 3 discs. None of them has an artwork. This is the DVD. This is the Blu-ray 3D. And this is the regular Blu-ray. Very plain and basic. Let me show you the back cover once again. Alright guys, that was it. Check the description of this video for the audio and subtitles. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for my next video, which is the Christopher Nolan collection box. Thanks again and see you next time.